Hello, I'm Guy Ornthanalai, an intellectual property strategist leading a team across Asia Pacific. In the realm of business, especially for budding entrepreneurs, understanding patents and intellectual property isn't just a side note. It's a cornerstone. Why? Because IP is the lifeblood of innovation. It's what protects your unique ideas, giving them the space to flourish without the fear of imitation. But it's not just about protection. A well-managed IP strategy can be the competitive edge to your business needs. It can open doors to collaborations, provide insights into market trends, and even become a significant revenue stream. Today, I'll guide you through the maze of patent searching, a skill every entrepreneur should master. So whether you're launching a startup or scaling an existing venture, let's explore how to navigate the world of IP effectively. So why should entrepreneurs and businesses prioritize patent searching? Let's break it down. Firstly, avoiding infringement. Imagine pouring time, effort, and resources into a project only to discover someone else holds the patent rights. The consequences? Legal disputes, financial losses, and a tarnished reputation. By searching patents early on, you can steer clear of these potential pitfalls. Patents are a treasure trove of information. They can reveal what's already out there, which areas are saturated, and where there might be unexplored opportunities. By understanding the existing landscape, you can carve out a unique niche for your business. And lastly, business strategy. Patents aren't just about protection, they are about possibilities. By analyzing patents, you can identify potential partners who complement your vision. You can spot competitors and anticipate their moves. And you can uncover collaboration opportunities that can propel your business to new heights. In essence, patent searching isn't just a protective measure. It's a proactive step towards informed decision-making and strategic growth. In the world of patent searching, the tools you choose can greatly influence the outcomes. Let's discuss some of the most accessible and effective platforms available. First up, Google Patents. This platform stands out for several reasons. First, user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to patent searching, Google Patents makes the process straightforward. Second, comprehensive database. It aggregates patents from numerous countries, offering a broad perspective. And third, advanced search filters. You can narrow down results based on criteria like patent type, filing date, or assignee. Fourth, integration with scholarly articles. Often it links patents to related scientific literature, providing a richer context. And next, we have PATENTSCOPE by WIPO. This platform is a favorite amongst many professionals, and here's why. Number one is global reach. It provides access to International Patent Cooperation Treaty applications or PCT applications, covering a vast geographical span. Second, advanced search capabilities. Whether you're looking for a specific inventor or a particular technology, PATENTSCOPE's tools can help you pinpoint with precision. And this one is very important. It's multilingual support in various different languages. It offers translations, making it easier to understand patents filed in different languages across different jurisdictions. Visual analysis tools. You can view data in charts and graphs, helping to identify trends or patterns in the patent landscape. But let's not overlook the treasure troves provided by national patent offices. Each country with a patent law system typically offers its own database, tailored to its unique patent landscape. For instance, the USPTO has a robust search system. It's a primary source for US patents, offering detailed classifications, patent status updates, and even tools for tracking patent application progress. Similarly, JPO, the Japan Patent Office, provides a comprehensive database for Japanese patents. It's equipped with features like machine translations, making it easier for non-Japanese speakers to navigate the vast collection of innovations. Moving on to the paid platforms. These offer advanced features for a more detailed search experience. Whether it's analytics, visualizations, or industry insights. Premium platforms cater to those looking for an in-depth analysis. While there are premium platforms with specialized features, starting your journey with free databases, whether global like Google Patents and PATENTSCOPE or national like USPTO and JPO, can offer invaluable insights. Navigating the world of patents can be as exciting as discovering a groundbreaking invention. Let's walk through this process using a tangible example, the development of a new coffee maker. So number one, we'll start off with keyword searching. Start with keywords. If you're interested in coffee makers, begin with that term. As you refine your search, you might narrow down to a portable coffee maker or eco-friendly brewer. And always consider synonyms. Different terms can lead to varied and valuable results. 2. Classifications. So once you have your keywords, it's time to explore classifications. IPC and CPC codes are like directories in a library. They categorize patents, helping you find the most relevant ones. For our coffee maker, there's a specific classification for brewing mechanisms. Combining these classifications with your keywords ensures a targeted and efficient search. 3. Abstract analysis. With potential patents in view, the abstract is your next stop. The section provides a concise summary of the invention. For our coffee maker, the abstract might highlight its unique collapsible feature or energy-saving capabilities. 4. Claims analysis. The claims section is very important. It defines the unique aspects of the invention. Here, you'll discover what sets this coffee maker apart from the others in the market. Whether it's a unique brewing technique or a special material, the claims reveal the innovation. 5. Examining drawings. Visual aids like drawings offer a clearer understanding of the invention. So for our coffee maker, diagrams might showcase its design, how it's collapsed, or the arrangement of its components. 6. Detailed description. For those keen on understanding the nitty-gritty, the detailed description is a goldmine. It elaborates on the invention, explaining its features, functionality, and the inspiration behind it. For each step in the patent search process, unveils a layer of the innovation story. With this structured approach, you are equipped to uncover and appreciate the genius behind the inventions. Okay, let's look at another case study. Imagine being at the forefront of a startup, eager to introduce a new fitness product that combines tech and health. Your team has a vision, a next-generation rowing machine that is compact, tech-integrated, and perfect for home workouts. The Hydro Rower, a leading fitness gadget, has already set a high benchmark. But your team believes they can introduce a feature that could further enhance the user experience. The challenge? Ensuring this innovation isn't already patented. To uncover the truth, we turn to WIPO PATENTSCOPE. First off, keyword searching. Starting with keywords, we input terms like tech-integrated rowing machine, interactive rower, and home fitness rowing. 2. Combining classification. Next, we integrate patent classifications. These codes categorize patents, helping narrow down the search. For our rowing machine, specific classifications guide us to relevant patents. 3. Analyzing the abstract. The abstracts provide a concise summary. We are on the outlook for features similar to our innovation. 4. Analyzing the claims. The claims section is where the specific lies. It defines the unique aspect of the patent. We need to ensure our innovative feature isn't already claimed. 5. Look at the drawings. Drawings offer a visual representation. They can provide clarity on the patented features, design, and functionality. So after thorough research, we discover a patent that's similar. However, our team identifies a unique angle that hasn't been patented. Fast forward, and our startup successfully introduces the product. The result? A groundbreaking fitness gadget, free from IP concerns. all thanks to the meticulous patent research. In the realm of innovation, a diligent patent search is your roadmap. It guides you, ensuring your path is clear of obstacles. And there we have it. From understanding the importance of patents to navigating the intricate world of patent searches, we have journeyed through it all. We've seen how crucial it is to ensure our innovative ideas are unique, the tools available for patent searches, and the steps to conduct an effective search. Our case study showcased the practical application of these steps, emphasizing the value of thorough research. And now it's over to you. I would love to hear about your patent search experiences. Were there any challenges you faced? Or perhaps you have questions about the process? Drop them in the comments below. Let's create a community where we learn and grow together. And if you found this guide helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you believe would benefit. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on patents, innovation, and much more. Well, thank you for joining me today. Remember, in the world of innovation, knowledge is your most powerful asset. Equip yourself, stay informed, and keep innovating. Until next time.